I'm Toby and this is Sea Life. I just wondered what we were doing yesterday during the day. This is it. We were doing another dig. We're continuing geothermal for Nathaniel's house. And we're adding in another, and I think we're going to add in another 200 foot of geothermal under here. He's got 300 foot liquid geothermal underground, but now we're going to add 200 foot dry in the tubes, a tube vent. And Daniel's just working on clearing the area that he's going to be digging through. And we'll probably be at this for a couple of days. And as you can tell, our little handy digger has done so much. This has been such a fun tool and a lifesaver. So while Daniel's outside doing that dig, I'm going to be inside Nathaniel's house, and I'm going to be straightening up and doing the best I can to set it in order after all of this construction. Just come out to see how this dig was going, and it looks like we're getting a lot further today than we did yesterday. We've just got a lot of sand to this, and that's about what it is over here, is sand. It's like a beach. But Daniel's doing a great job. He's been at it for a long time, and he's just doing a great job here. So I'm glad to see it. I can't wait to see what a difference this is going to make in the temperature in the house. I guess I don't know what time it is. I think it's about 1:32, but it's gotten pretty hot in the front room of that house. The rest of the house seems pretty nice, but that little 300 square foot underground is just not enough for a 600 square foot home. Not in Georgia anyway. As you can see, we are using a fan to blow the cooling off of this wall. This is a liquid geothermal wall. We're using little regular house fans that don't take much electricity at all off of our solar grid outside to go ahead and blow nice cool air in here. And I'm sitting almost in front of this fan, and it feels great. It's almost, sitting right here is almost comparable to air conditioning. Well, I thought I'd show you how it's going. I thought I'd get in here and talk while it was a little quieter, but we're getting quiet. I'd say a good 15 foot away from the house anyway. And so we just have, I'd say about 40 more foot to go. And we're continuing this, Daniel's continuing to dig. And I'm just so proud of him. Okay, what I'm showing you here is where we've gotten with this rocket mass heater. And this will come in important in the winter time. And I've got my purse in the way over there. And then up here in the top, you see the little vent, and that it looks like a V. Well, that's the little vent that goes to the outdoor chimney, the solar chimney that actually pulls the circulation through this house. And it is amazing. It pulls so much of the hot air off of this house. And and this house, don't get me wrong, even though it's a little warmer than it was earlier up here in the living room, it's not bad. It's still quite comfortable. So for an off-grid home, I don't think you can beat geothermal heating and cooling. The more you get in, the more footage you put under. And what we're doing is we're trying to match the footage of the house to the footage of what's underground. And I think that is going to work out beautifully. We've almost got it worked out by putting half of the home's footage underground right now. And but yeah, I think this is going to work out beautifully, and I can't wait to see this happen, because I like you may have heard of earthships. Like we're getting a lot of these ideas by watching these earthship builds, and they are implementing so many different off-grid ideas that really work, and I'm so thankful.
So we've dug probably 15-20 feet. We still have probably 30 feet to go to get this complete. But I'm digging it like 3 wide this time, keep the sand from falling back in. And also we're going to lay 4 side by side down through there. So we need the extra room. We're almost there, and it looks like it's getting done slowly.